G'day guys, 2Aussie here. What's cracking? So today I'm going to show you my little bit of home cooked meal, do a bit of home cooking, and I'm going to make a fried rice that has chicken, bacon, prawns, shallots, garlic, egg and rice of course. So if you've seen any of my other videos that I've been doing a few little food reviews and things like that, so I thought maybe I'd throw in a bit of home cooking as well and see what you think of that. So I'll show you all the things that are involved. So this is all the ingredients. We got the chicken, bacon. I'm actually using bacon instead of ham because I didn't happen to have any ham, but a lot of times I'll have bacon around. I suppose being an Aussie, that's a bacon thing. And I use bacon. I find it's just as good as using the ham. So also what I'm going to do here is I've just cooked this rice up. This is actually a microwave container where you can cook up your fried rice, and it took about 22 minutes to cook. There's a cup and a half of rice in there, so that's what it ends up as once it's cooked. And what I like to do is put the soy sauce in first and then mix it through, and I don't like my soy sauce too strong, so I just try and get a good looking texture and flavour, colour actually, and take it from there. But if I make it too dark, it actually doesn't taste too good. So what I have to do first is cook up the eggs. So I've just scrambled 4 eggs up there, and as far as the rest of the ingredients goes, it's all up to you how much you put in there. So I'm going to scramble up the egg and then I'll get back to you. So I've cooked the omelette on one side, I'm just about to flip it over. Looking pretty good. And while I was doing that, in between I did the rice, put a bit of soy sauce in there. I probably put about 6 tablespoons in there. I like to mix it all up first because I find it easier than once you chuck it in to get that soy sauce all through everything, or through the rice. So I'll just break this up a bit. Make it into small pieces. I'll take it off the heat, I think. Also with the peas, I've got 1 cup of peas, which I haven't brought out of the microwave yet. What I was about to tell you was, I put them in the microwave for a few minutes just to defrost them a bit from the freezer. And I find that way they'll cook a little bit quicker with everything, because once this all goes in, it doesn't take too long to cook. So you don't want peas that are still half frozen or not cooked properly. Should be enough of that. So now, put everything in. Put the peas in. I will leave the shallots till last because they don't really need much of a cook, so just put all this ingredients in first. Looking good. Actually, I said the shallots last, didn't I? What am I doing? So anyway, chuck all that in. Give it a good stir. Got a nice colours in there. And if you like, you don't have to use prawns or you don't have to use chicken. You can put in whatever you like. It's your fried rice, but I'm just doing what, it's pretty much the basic sort of thing and what I like. So I love prawns. A lot of people don't like prawns, so that's always up to you what you put in it. And you can always put mixed vegetables with carrots and corn. Not my thing, but there's plenty of options, plenty of things you can put in. So, and it all works. It's all a matter of taste. So I'll whack those blocks in now. So guys, this is my first video of the type of things I make at home. I actually make this probably once a week, but I don't always put prawns in because it can get a bit expensive and depends who else is around. I mean, sometimes my son's here and he's not mad about prawns, but he loves to eat fried rice, so that's always good. I'm planning on doing a few other videos like this. Hopefully you've seen some of my last couple of food reviews on Domino's and the KFC one. So what I'll do is I'll still do food reviews, but I'll also do a little bit of home cooking. So that's probably going to be not too good if I put the rice in there because it's not going to fit. So once it's cooked up a bit more, I might just put it back in the container and stir it through. So that's quite a big container. So that's almost cooked, looking really good. And what I like to put in right at the end is about a heaped teaspoon of garlic. Gives it a little bit of flavour, tastes really nice, and it's good for you. Stir that through a bit more. Just turn the heat off. So guys, one day I might do a little video about homemade ice cream. I've been making a vanilla homemade ice cream and it actually doesn't taste too bad considering, you know, it's all just easy to find ingredients and not hard to make. And then once you make the vanilla ice cream, you can just add things like cocoa to make chocolate and coffee to make a coffee ice cream, which I did before and it was quite nice. So that's another idea for a video. We may get to that one day. So anyway, that's the things all cooked up. Now we'll chuck it in with the rice because I don't think the rice is going to fit in there. And we'll see how it goes. Smells really good. I love the prawns in it, but even without the prawns, it's really a really good nice meal to have. This is probably a bit bigger than I usually make it, but probably because I've added extra ingredients, but that's more for me. Now, it's a ripper meal, this one. I think if anyone tries it and cooks it, you'll be glad you did. You may never go to the Chinese again. So that's what it looks like with the rice and everything. Looks really good. And there it is, guys. Beautiful homemade fried rice. Look at those prawns. They look so good. I can't resist them. I've got to eat one now. So try that out. I reckon you'll love it. It's a real ripper of a meal. Good for the whole family. They'll love it. You can always put something else with it, like a piece of fish or some chicken on the side, like a chicken tender or something like that. Always a great meal. Easy to make and pretty good value too. So hope you enjoyed that video, guys. And I hope you try it out. So remember, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and always remember, you can never beat 2 Aussie. Hooroo!